Hey, I'm Nick Hunter with Southern Vac. We just wanted to let you know that we appreciate all the essential workers during these uncertain times, and we're here to support you with demonstrations, parts, service, and rental equipment. Today we've got our 2018 Vacon excavator truck, and we just want to show you a little bit about it. Alright, a couple of key features on this side of the truck I want to talk about are the Van Air rotary screw air compressor. It's 185 CFM at 150 PSI, and what that allows you to do is to dig with air around delicate utilities that you may not want to use the high pressure water around. Another thing is our diesel fired boiler here that heats the water to 180 degrees, which allows you to dig easier, and it cuts through the heavy clay and mud and things like that down here in the south. We've got our Lazy Susan pipe rack, which allows easy access to all your digging tubes. We've got a couple of full width toolboxes, so that's nice to keep your tools clean and dry, locked up. On this side of the truck, I want to go over the PD blower. This is a Roots 827 blower. It runs 5200 CFM at 18 inches of mercury, and because it pulls such a high CFM, we have dual cyclone separators on this truck to slow that material down to keep it from going through the PD blower. As we said, there are two different digging options on this truck. The first is the air knife powered by the Van Air compressor. The other is the high pressure water gun with the rotating nozzle on the end, powered by this 18 gallon a minute at 4,000 PSI water pump. The high pressure gun has a retractable hose, free spooling, and electric rewind. So then when it's time to clean up, we've also got the low pressure handgun for cleaning the truck or your tools up. Alright, so here we have the controls on the truck, and it's nice that it's all enclosed in this cabinet to keep them out of the weather. You can control everything on the truck from right here. You've got all your water valves here, truck engine control, vacuum operation, water pump, boom functions here, as well as this remote